basic syntax. And third, you'll make a local website that you can load in your... Now, what isn't itself a programming language? It's a markup language. Now, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's a way of displaying information on web pages in your browser. One thing to remember is that HTML isn't itself a programming language. It's a markup language. Programming languages like PHP or Java use things like logic and conditions to control the content that you see. HTML doesn't do those things, but it's still extremely important. You can actually create an HTML file on your computer and load it in your browser. It won't be on the internet, so only your local computer can view it. To create your HTML file, open up your computer's File program. In Windows, that's File Explorer, and on a Mac, it's Finder. In the program, go to your desktop or wherever you want to put the file. You'll want to create a new file in that location. Make sure that the file name reads index.html. On Windows, if for some reason you can't see the file extension, just click on the View tab and make sure that the file name extensions checkbox is checked. When you have your file all set, you'll want to open it in the browser. If it has a Chrome or other browser icon on the left, you can double-click it to automatically open it. If not, you can also right-click and select Open With, and then select your browser. Now, in the browser, everything will look blank, which is fine because the file doesn't have anything in it yet. Now, in addition to opening the file in your browser, you'll also want to open it in a code editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. And we're going to keep both the editor and the browser windows open next to each other, so it's easy to make code changes and view them immediately. In addition to Visual Studio Code, there's a lot of other programs that you can use. You can use Notepad++, Sublime, Atom, or Brackets. Most of those are free, and I've included links to each of these in case